If your moods are unpredictable, your energy crashes daily, your weight won't budge, or your periods are out of whack, your hormones are calling for help. I used to feel out of control, exhausted, bloated, anxious, until I realized my hormones weren't the enemy, they were messengers, and I wasn't listening. These 5 daily habits helped me bring my body back into balance. No meds, no crazy diets. All right, let's dive in. Habit number 1, blood sugar balance. I stopped skipping breakfast and started my day with protein and fat. No sugar bombs. This stabilizes insulin, which calms cortisol, which helps balance everything. Think eggs and avocado, or a fit and fab protein smoothie with chia and greens. Balanced blood sugar equals balanced hormones. Period. Daily habit number 2, herbal support. I take my hormone support herbs every day, maca for energy and libido, ashwagandha for stress and cortisol, and Vitex chasteberry for cycle support. Fit and Fab's Hormone Harmony Herbal Kit is a lifesaver. Check it out at fitandfabshop.com. Adaptogens equal natural hormonal harmony. Now for daily habit number 3, stress reset time. I spend 10 minutes every single day regulating my nervous system. That means no phone, no noise, just breathwork, movement, or journaling. When stress drops, estrogen and progesterone find their rhythm again. Remember, you can't heal in fight or flight. Daily habit number 4, sleep routine. I protect my sleep like it's my skincare routine. No screens after 9. I use magnesium and calming herbs to get deep rest. Because hormones reset while you sleep. Try Fit and Fab's Sleep and Stress Blend to support natural melatonin and cortisol balance. And finally, habit number 5, gentle movement. I ditched punishing workouts for movement that supports my hormones. Walking, lifting 3 times a week, and stretching daily works with your body, not against it. Excess cardio equals cortisol chaos equals hormone havoc. Balance doesn't happen overnight, but when you build these habits into your daily rhythm, your body will thank you. I created a free printable checklist and product guide you can grab on my site. Free daily hormone reset checklist, fitandfabshop.com. Subscribe if you're ready to stop guessing and start healing. And comment below, which hormone habit are you adding to your day? I'll help you customize it. Subscribe, get your free guide, fitandfabshop.com.